Why do you build me up? Buttercup, baby, just to let me down and mess me around, and the worst of all.
Have fun.
Thank you. Thanks. Let's go.
Yeah.
Can't wait for this.
Yeah.
Celebrate!
In just a few moments, you'll be tilted back and facing the sky.
Alright, let's go. What I've been waiting for.
Yeah.
Once you are given the all clear, you'll be launched in the air over 360 feet, going 62 miles per hour. For your safety, please keep your head back and shoulders against the seat back while holding on to the silver bars until your ride comes to a complete and final stop. Thank you, and enjoy your ride on the world's second tallest slingshot.
Oh wow, that's crazy. I didn't know that.
Yeah.
World's second tallest. Wow. Never knew that. Those people are gonna get a video of your feet.
Yeah.
All clear. Launching in 3, 2, 1.
Imagine if we paid for an on-ride video and them capturing it on it. Because you know you can pay for an on-ride video?
Yeah, but you can do that after the ride though?
Nah, no, I think you have to do it before, I'm pretty sure.
Oh.
Or maybe you could, actually.
Let's see.
Yeah, let's see in the photo booth.
Yeah, let's see. Finally got my earthing ride in.
Finally got on the effing slingshot.
Yeah.
So damn long.
Yeah.
It's been way too effing long. It's good, bro. Cross it? Alright. It was good.
Yeah, it was good.
And fasten your seatbelts.